everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lysha and I'm the owner of Lysha Be Creative. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm doing an unboxing, but I'm actually not going to walk you through the step-by-step of unboxing. I am here to talk to you about something new that I've brought into my shop, and I've taken a huge leap of faith here in my craft business, and I'll be completely honest, I'm a little bit nervous. So I went and made a very impulse decision and purchased a 3D printer. Now, when I say impulse decision, I just mean like the clicking buy now was impulse. This has been something that I have been wanting to get for my business, but I have always kind of given myself reasons as to why not yet, not right now. I don't have the money for that. Like, this money needs to go towards other things. And finally, I kind of just decided I have to stopping myself from making the next jump in my business. So I clicked purchase on my Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer, and yeah, we're gonna talk about it. So first off, why am I nervous? I'm nervous because it's new, and learning something new can be very intimidating and very scary. And I am just someone who, you know, taking these kinds of leaps of faith, of course, we always think about what happens when the other shoe falls. Like, is it going to be a major success, or is it going to be just a giant paperweight that sits on another space in my craft room? So very nervous. And when I say that I was nervous and intimidated, I mean that I got this printer in early December, and it sat on my floor in the box for 2 weeks before I even thought of taking it out of the box, because I was that nervous and that intimidated and really feeling like I didn't have the time to learn something new. Now, fast forward to why did I get it? So if I was going to be this scared about it, if I was going to be this nervous about working with a new machine, why did I even purchase it? I have been looking at 3D printers for a while now, and I am someone who, number one, I love machines. I mean, if you really looked at my craft space, you know that I have a lot of them. And although I don't necessarily need to have and own every single machine that's out there and on the market and new and exciting, I love to do new things once I've gotten my feet wet. So for me, I really wanted to grab a 3D printer or have a 3D printer to be able to do some things in-house for myself that I just knew would save me a little bit of time than having to, you know, search for vendors and things to be able to get those items printed. So I'm hoping, my goal, as I'm getting to learn this printer and how this printer works, I'm hoping that this is going to help me solve some of those everyday craft problems that we kind of run into. I am really excited to kind of see what I can come up with. I, of course, have dove in as of this video, and although I'm not showing you guys anything that I've printed today, and I'm really just showing you the behind the scenes process of taking this bad boy out of the box and getting it all set up, I will tell you that the setup was really easy, and I'm really excited that it was easy, because I feel like once you have an easy setup, I know for me that if it's easy enough to get out of the box and get completely set up, I know that I'm going to have a much easier time being able to learn the software, being able to learn how to use the machine. Whereas any machine that I have ever purchased that has been a hassle to set up, I have absolutely hated. So a lot of those machines never even make it to content, because if I can't wrap my head around how to use it, I can't expect my viewers to be able to utilize it as well. So I say all that to say that, you know, this, although was a very huge step for me, I'm excited. After getting out of the box, which was the hardest part because I did let it sit, I feel so much better and more confident about being able to come up with some ideas for things that I want to be able to produce with my 3D printer. So I'm not going to give you all the specs and stats about the Bambu Lab printer, but I will put the information down in the description box for you guys to check out for yourselves. I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that. Like, I bought this because I've been researching them, and this was the one that I knew I really wanted to grab. So I don't have a lot of information as far as that or discount codes to say for you, but I definitely will encourage you to go do your own sort of review and research and figure out if this is something that is for you. Now, that is not me telling you to go buy a 3D printer unless you need to be told that. But what I'm just trying to share is that is kind of where I started. And that's where most of the machines that I end up having in my craft space start. It starts with that research and really deciding the pros and cons of, is this going to add value to my business, or is this really going to depreciate my business? Do I have time for this right now? Or is this something that I need to put a pause on and, continue with what I'm currently doing? So then, of course, what am I making? So I don't exactly have the end all be all of all of the ideas. I have plenty of things in my brain that I need to get down onto paper. But so far, I have just been creating things that have been practical for myself. I'm getting to know this printer. I am learning the different types of filament. So of course, I printed fun things for myself, a lot of bookish related things because I love to read. I've printed some practical things like tumbler arm stands for when I'm glittering things. And of course, some things for the kids as well as I'm just learning this. So I hope that you're going to stay along for the journey and see what I print. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys are going to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already and see some of the things that I am going to be printing. Follow me along on this journey. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye.